Students, students, good evening. Now, online students, am I audible to you? Fine. So, some of the students are asking, is this Zoom class NIMG? It is not a Zoom class, my dear student. It is a Python class. And one more NIMG. Is this YouTube training? It is not YouTube training. It is a Python training. So, my dear students, please try to understand what the course is meant for. Okay. Students in online, I hope I am clear about this everything. And let us start the discussion. And previously, already we started with the last class, we started with most important concept. Already class is started. Last class I started with what? Real-time applications developed by using what? Python programming. There I started. Students who are in online, some of the people are asking, is it mandatory to learn C language or something? Even if you learn C language, if we come to my class, C language is nowhere else is required here. Online students, if you are a new student, I'll just open it for 1 minute. Then I'll move to the further. This is a third day. And first day, I said in my class related to the first point, the full stack Python, it's a job oriented course. There are 5 parts are present in that. The first part of it is Python programming. There we cover core Python, advanced Python, and Python for data science. This is the first part of it. It's the backbone for the full stack Python course. And the second one is UI modules, UI technologies. There we cover these things. And the second one, which is module 3, web frameworks, Django, Flask, and REST API. This we'll cover. And module 4, database softwares will cover MySQL and MongoDB. And here we cover module 5 tools required for the software developer, Git, GitHub, testing methodologies, and basics of AWS, Google Cloud Platform, etc., and resume building. And we discuss capstone project in every topic. And I already said in the last session, this I'm saying for the new students, if anybody is there in the online. For them, I'm just saying that to learn this course, you must be a graduate of any of this stream, and the your knowledge required. What is your knowledge? You must know. I just said you need not to know any C, C++, Java, C Sharp, .NET, any of these languages you need not to know. And even if anybody knows, I already asked the day before yesterday, and those students, if anybody knows C, C++, I will ask 50 questions. The student cannot answer not even one question also. That I already tested once. And the beginning question I tested. And that's why I'm not asking questions, my dear students, and don't misunderstand also. Because what I'm saying is exactly from real time. And the questions from real time is completely different from academics. What you learned in academics, you never come across in your industry. I am from pure real time. What you learned in academics, of course, I don't want to use this word. That is only blackboard with white chalk piece. That will not come in real time at all. That damn sure I'm saying. What will come across in real time, we are going to say that you need to understand now. Okay. And I am the one which I'm going to give you the guarantee to get the job in the software industry. You must have the coding knowledge. So, Kulkarni, my dear student, don't worry about the fees. Right now, don't worry about the fees. Fees is later. Fees is later. Okay. And first you understand my class. After satisfying with my class, then go for the further thing. Okay. So this is my advice, students. Don't worry about the fees now. Still attend the classes. then still attend the classes. This week you attend the classes, then you decide. Attend all the classes which are there in Hyderabad, many places. You see my Python course content also already I shown you now. Attend everywhere, attend my class also, take a decision, then you decide. That is my advice. Now, if you want to become an expert in full stack Python to get the job, you have to follow my guidelines. Number one, all students must attend all the classes punctually, and all the students must practice the use cases or problems and programs which I am giving. Already I shown you 700 questions are there with me. Exclusively that is for Python. I already shown you in the day before yesterday. This is the third day. First day is only the orientation class, what my class deals with. And this is all students must read the notes daily. Like our engineering, before 10 days, going to some shop, buying all in one in all book, and then reading subheadings and writing in where, additionals, writing additionals, this much of booklet submitting to the faculty, that are all in industry. No exams will be there. In industry, what will be there? Direct coding questions will come. And I already said hacker ranking, lead code kind of problems will come. I am the specialist in explaining such coding things in the class. Already shown you, in day one I shown you that I am explaining, and I already shown 700 questions are ready with me, which are asked in different companies, because I am from real-time background, and I said already in the class. Right. Anjali, sir, your voice is not coming properly. My dear students, is it so? Is it like that? Is my voice is clear for everybody? Can you please, is it clear for everybody? For only one or two students, that voice is not clear. For all the students, it is clear. Okay. Because I myself will come to know that if the voice is clear or not. Myself will come to know that whether the voice is clear or not. So from my side, it is clear, and there is no problem at all. Now I'm going to start discussing about the continuation part. So this already said from the last 2 days onwards, I'm saying, let me continue my examples here. Last class, I said, by learning this Python programming, what are the various real-time applications we develop? That is what I'm going to discuss here. So the first real-time application, there are 20 plus real-time applications are available. 20 plus real-time applications are available. The first one, I already said in the class, development of web applications. For development of web applications is concerned, there is a Java competitor. Switch off, check. There is a resound. For development of web applications, the first competitor is called what? Java programming. There the technologies are this one. And C#.NET is another kind of competitor. The technologies are like this. And another competitor is what? Python programming language, whose technologies are this one. And we are talking about the Python programming, and we are talking about these technologies also. And Django and Flask. And any one of the technology, you can learn it. And the reason for making Python is very popular. Last class, I shown you some coding segments also. Did you remember that? So the most easiest thing to write the coding for development of web application is very easy in writing the coding is what? Python. What is the reason for writing less lines of code and more meaning? Almost 1 hour 20 minutes I said about why Python is more popular for development of web applications. The single reason is what? Less lines of code and more meaning is because of what? Modules. The best example I said yesterday. Suppose I take an example, direct one. In the mobile, if I want to develop a calendar app is there or not? Always think in reality, students. Any code, if I write it, that should be useful to you in the real time. Whatever examples and applications which I'm saying in the class, as it is, that will come in real time for you. Whether I'm talking about end-to-end projects I'm explaining, and EDA related kind of problems I'm explaining, statistical projects I'm explaining, so many things. Because in one moment, if I say all these things which you are unknown, you can't understand, right or not? So I'm going to tell you so many things. That's what I'm saying. It is an exclusive class for Python. So let us start. I am going to continue my concept. Last class, we come to one conclusion. What is the conclusion? Learning Python is nothing but learning about modules. This point, I just want to conclude it. Online students, did you understand this now? Sayed, my dear student, please re-log in. You are getting the same problem again. So students, did you understand that part? Last class conclusion, please respond once. What is that conclusion? Learning Python is nothing but learning about what? Modules. If any new students are there, the admin will send one YouTube link for you. The admin will send one YouTube link, and that YouTube link you follow so that yesterday's class you can listen. Shubham, you just, there is a link is already forwarded. Online students, please follow that. The link is given for you. Even that link, today onwards, I will give you YouTube link they are giving. My dear students, those who are there already in the new members today, and this is the day 2, yesterday's link, and today is a day 3. And one more thing I am going to say, for notes is concerned, today onwards, I will go for uploading the notes for you. For notes is concerned, the admin will give you the notes link also. Notes link also he will give you. For online students, you just take that link on, admin will post that notes link. It is a Google Drive link. It is a Google Drive link. That link he will post it now itself. And for online offline students, those who are sitting in front of me, at the moment when you go out of the class, after the class, they kept one scanner for you. You scan it, you will be getting my notes immediately. Okay, now? So as far as notes is concerned, you will be getting that notes link for you. Okay. So these two things you would listen. First day, nothing is there. Second day onwards, this is discussion is going to start. Now I'll continue my session. So coming to the point back, second one, I'm going to talk about it. Shall I continue now? So I just repeat it. What is my last two things now? So I'm going to start with. So here, what are the various real-time applications we can develop by using Python? I'm talking about it. First one is development of web application. There are three competitors are there. Python is one of the topmost programming language as on real time today, because I shown some statistical survey reports also to you. Now, second one, Python is one of the popular language because of this application development. What is that application development? Now I am writing development of, now I am writing here, development of which applications? Development of gaming applications. Gaming applications. I hope you are following me. What do you mean by these gaming applications? Try to understand carefully. As on today, if you take any mobiles, any mobile you take it, any mobile application you take it, any mobile games you are playing now. Suppose when the class is supposed to start within 10 minutes or 20 minutes, what students will do? They'll open immediately cricket. Cricket they will open. Are you playing or not? What is that is known as? Is it a game or not? That a gaming application. That application to run, some code was written or not? That code, earlier people used to write, with a C language, with a Java ME, some sort of UI technologies they used to use it. And this is as on today when Python came into the picture, and Python is making the application of games is very easy. So gaming application development by using Python is much easier than what? Other languages. And Python become a default programming language for development of which applications? Gaming applications. So for development of gaming applications, there are separate modules are available. There are separate modules are available. Like in medicine science, For every problem, there is separate medicines are available. For every application development, there are separate modules are there in Python. Those modules are containing what? Predefined code was there. Yesterday's class, I said how I use the predefined code. Did you understand, students? Yes. Now, generating calendar in Python is easy, not difficult. Easy, because we used one module called what? Calendar. And in that, there is a month I displayed it, as well as what I displayed it. Year also I displayed it. And a math module also you have taken it. And we displayed some type of calculation part also. Some sign functions also we used it. Trigonometric functions I'll explain. Linear algebra kind of things I'll explain. So many things I'll explain. But we are putting into the beginning, keeping you on the single track is challenging task to the faculty. Because you will come after your BTech to the class and you will try to understand everything in one hour itself. That is impossible. You have to give me the 1 week time so that I will bring into one solid state. And a solid state means a perfect picture I will give you about what is the reality of the subject. It's not a blackboard white chalk piece and talking something and making you to leave. No. When we speak something, I'll show practically in the class. Okay, na? Shall I move forward? No. Yesterday I said some sort of examples. I want to send an SMS when somebody is deposited some money in your account. Is that SMS is coming to your mobile or not? Write a Python code. Write a Python code to send an SMS from one device to another device. Will you write a code? Will you write a code in C language now? Impossible. Will you write a code in Java? Impossible. Will you write a code in Python? Yes, we can write. We will write 4 lines of code. I will tell in the class how to write the code. How to write these 4 lines of code? Sir, what is the beauty behind writing less lines of code? Concept is module. Modules are nothing but what? Libraries. So any software programmer you take it, any industry programmer you take it, writing any sort of code, compulsory you need to use libraries. Without libraries, no applications at all. So what is the first thing I am talking about? Development of which applications? Gaming application. For developing gaming applications using Python, compulsory what are available? Modules are available. So modules are nothing but containing which code? Readily available code is available. Such readily available code I will use in my development. If you put your own efforts to write your own code, definitely you will feel what? Lot of complexity you will feel it. Are you following my concept? Getting my point? So now coming to the next one. I will go on little fast in my explanation. This is already I said you. And one more thing, small thing if you want, I can show you one small example. One more thing. I want to send a OTP. You know, OTP purpose is what? What is the purpose of OTP? Girls, one time password or 2 times password, that is not the case. Anybody says full form, they are waste. I am not talking about full forms. This is for security purpose, we use OTPs. Correct or not? For security purpose, we use OTPs. OTP full form, OS full form. This you know. That's why I'm not asking questions. If I started asking questions now, you will feel that's why I'm not asking questions. And don't misunderstand me. Because I am the real picture I'm keeping in front of you. I want to generate OTP. How to generate OTP and how to send to your mobile. That is my task. They are all modern trends of coding. I'll explain. For generating that, import, there is one type of module is available. Random module is available. Random module is available. Random. R dot rand int of 1,000. 4-digit OTP I want. 4-digit OTP I want. A random number between 1,000 and 10,000 will come. 1,000 and 10,000 will come. You can't expect it what will be the random number. You can't expect it what will be the random number. Is OTP can be expected? Man, no, it can be random. If I want the 5-digit OTP, 5-digit OTP, you can generate 5-digit OTP also. Not an issue. Not an issue. Whatever is your requirement, I can send you that requirement. How to send to through your mobile, I will explain. How to develop WhatsApp based application. WhatsApp application you are using or not? That I am explaining in my class. What is the topic name? Why I am showing the topic names in my classes, students, the topics which I am explaining is because of what? You must know about what is the reality of the subject. There is a topic name called what? Networks. There is a topic name called networks. In that you see client chart and then server chart. No person can explain this network programming. Like a charting application I want, like a messenger kind of application I want to develop. That kind of things I want to explain. This is what the topic I am explaining. Network programming. There is called socket programming, TCP IP kind of programming, HTTP kind of programming I am explaining. What is HTTP? If I ask, you will say what? Full form. You know only full form, hypertext transfer protocol. You know only that. But BTech is completed, 23 years old. And you take third class student also. What is HTTP? Same full form. 6 years full form, 23 years full form. What is the difference? Just think about it. When you learn something, you need to have to see the practical awareness. Okay, na? So any faculty, first you apply on my class. What you done? If I say anything, you ask me, sir, show me practically in the class. That I like it. That is what is your expectation from now onwards. So let's start. So development of what? Gaming application. Second one, I'm going to talk about it. For the development of gaming application, what is available compulsory? Module is available. Is that module you developed? Already developed? Already developed. How to use that modules in my class? I will explain. And why Python is becoming popular? I am saying one by one. These are all. There are exclusively some companies are started for which development? Gaming application. Are you following? So suppose you are buying the mobile, Samsung or Apple phones you are buying. There are already some games are giving. And those people are getting the copyrights from that gaming companies. They are selling that game for some crores of rupees. So gaming application development, Python is most suitable. Next is called what? Development of, I'm going to write it, artificial intelligence applications. This is a most powerful things as on today. Artificial intelligence applications. Artificial intelligence applications. Do you know the meaning of artificial intelligence? How you think, same way the machine is thinking. If I'm able to write the code and if I train my system like how you think, then my system is having what? Intelligence like you, it is thinking. That is called what? Prediction models we can call. Like weather report, you take it. Weather report. By thinking the weather, you will think that what will be the weather's nature or not. And my app should tell that what is that weather report. You take in Windows programming, you see my top left corner, weather report on the top of it, it is available or not. What is that now? Something like Amirpet 37, something is available or not. What it is containing? That means my Windows 11 OS is containing what? Prediction of my local area environment or not. What is that code written inside of it? The code written inside of it is nothing but predicting the local area environment. If I take my laptop to my area, it will predict my local area, other kind of environments. You take driverless cars, robots, you take it. These are all comes under which applications? Come on. Artificial intelligence application. To develop this artificial intelligence application, so many people tried so many programming languages. First, beginning, they tried with what? Java. They tried with Java. Are able to follow? They tried with Java. Are able to get my point? They tried with Java language and they become fail. They become fail. They become fail. In that case, what is happening? They felt very complexity. And from that time onwards, this was tried already some 20 years back. And later they identified Python is the best programming language for which application development? Artificial intelligence application. There as on today, what is this is called? Machine learning applications. Machine learning applications. Machine learning applications, that is called ML, we can call it as ML applications, ML applications. Second one is called what? Deep learning applications. These are the most important applications as on today in the artificial intelligence. These are the subparts of what? AI. These are the subparts of AI. In that, to develop any type of AI application, what is the most useful programming language? Without Python, there is no artificial intelligence. You take IIT, you take NITs, you take any popular universities, they are introducing what? Our CSC branch is almost become outdated. In every CSC branch, what will be the sub branches are coming? AI. With the data science is coming or not? All sorts of applications or minimum knowledge required is called what? Python programming. Earlier, people used to say C programming is a basic thing required for learning anything. But as on today, what is required? Python programming is mandatory for the people to learn it. In order to survive in the software industry, Python programming is mandatory. And see, Python programming can be completed by anybody. 20 days Python, 30 days Python, 45 days Python. Only Python will complete. They cannot qualify in any one of the interview rounds because they won't discuss applications. They will discuss only theory, like your C language, how they completed your C language, while loop, for loop, if statement, like that. They don't do any examples which are asking in the companies. And what company questions are asking? They won't ask write a C program for finding factorial of a number, reverse of a number. Nobody will ask that question. I already shown in the class now. Such a type of questions only they will ask you. To understand that questions, you require a perfect trainer to analyze that problem. Then only you can understand. And hacker ranker problems and lead code problems you need to understand. Are you following me? But I will train you and I don't want any of your basic knowledge. I want your I want your perfect knowledge of the class. My dear student, yourself. It is the first time I am seeing in my class, nobody will go out. Actually, if you go like the when mobile phone comes going out and if phone come going out, first time I am seeing in my 26 years of experience. And at last class also somebody. In my class, if anybody go out, you have to go permanently only. So not possible. If you want, you listen. Otherwise, we'll least bother about it because it's a different class. Okay. When phone come going out, it is all totally ruled out. If you want, you sit. Otherwise, we'll least bother about it. Okay, now? Right. Think carefully. Now here, why students are becoming problem as on today? Because mobiles are destroying your knowledge and distracting. So in my class, if you want to attend, you attend from beginning to ending. When mobile comes going out, coming and going out, that class not possible in my class. If you want, you listen. Otherwise, we'll never bother about it. Now, coming to this place. So what will be the default programming for artificial intelligence applications? Python. So in industry, the coming 30 years, already it is forecasted, lot of jobs are going out because of what? Artificial intelligence. Lot of jobs are going. I don't want to say which jobs are going, which jobs are going out. I don't want to say. Already I shown you the survey for you. And a lot of jobs are creating. Lot of jobs are going to creating. Lot of jobs are going to come into picture. For which people? Those who are trained on artificial intelligence, those who trained on ML and DL, to do the applications on this area, what is the main backbone for writing the applications in that? Coding. What is that coding is called? Python. So all Python based subdomains are going to survive in the industry for next 30 years. When beginning, when internet is coming, lot of jobs are going, people said that time. Is the jobs gone or not? Some jobs gone, but lot of jobs created or not? Next after that, next what is happening after that? Next after that, what is happening? When software came into the picture, lot of jobs gone, but lot of jobs created or not? Same thing. When AI comes or something comes, lot of jobs will be creating, but the traditional jobs, what already there, some of the jobs will definitely will go. That's why By predicting in the future, we have to train always to the advanced things. Learning 1947 languages, learning 1947 processes, all these things are totally out of order. That's why I will train you perfectly what is happening in the industry. I will show you some articles for you, which are released by the industry scientists. I'll show you time to time in the class. Understanding, students? And whatever I'm going to tell all these things, you need to have the perfect coding using which language? Python language. Next, another application development. Development of, development of, I'm writing here, development of, development of, what is the next one, image processing applications. Image processing applications. Image processing applications. Image processing applications. What do you mean by image processing applications? Take an example. These are all called examples which I am giving in front of you. You will understand some smartly some points in that. Suppose you take with your mobile, you take your mobile and you took a selfie of it. You took a selfie of it. And you went to some picnic spot, you took a selfie of it. And immediately you want to keep it in your as a DP, or you want to keep it as a status. You want to keep it in the status. When you are keeping that in the status or in DP, you will edit it or not? You will edit now. When you edit it, what is happening? Lot of options will be shown or not? How that options are coming? Understand as a developer. Don't think as a mobile user student. You think like a developer. How that many options are shown? Black and white, background color bright, some background is color, some dots, some different things are coming or not? How that is coming? How can I develop a code behind that is called what? Python script is available. That type of things is known as what? There is one module is present in Python called what? OpenCV. What is the module name? OpenCV. With OpenCV, you can take one image. That image, I'm showing that image related kind of options. At least 15 varieties of options you can show. That 15 kind of varieties options, if you want to show, I will write just 8 lines of code. 8 lines of code, I will write it. Are you able to follow? To write this 8 lines of code, what is required? You need a module. If you try to do the same thing in Java, which is unable to imagine by yourself, if you try to do by using C programming, you cannot make a dare to write that code. Are you getting me? You may not be able to understand the coding, but at least you will imagine by yourself what is happening it. So in simply in software industry as on today, when you click anything, either in the internet or in the in your mobile, when you touch something, some piece of code is executing or not. Such a piece of code, how to write it? That is our main target. BTech is completed. Will you do that piece of code when you touch something? Is it doing some operation or not? Will you make a code of it at least using C language? Impossible. Then why to study, students? That's why when you learn some programming, you have to do some case studies, some project development, you need to do it. Then only there is a significance for the course. Otherwise, there is no use of it. Are you thinking about what I am saying? So, image processing applications, if I want to develop it, which is the best programming language? Python. Next, one more application. Development of, development of, I am writing here, audio. And next, what? Video based applications. Video based applications. This is also a very good kind of application. You take an example of ATMs. You take an example of ATMs. Take HDFC, for example, HDFC or SBI, any ICICI. You take any of this. When you go inside, what are the message is coming? Please insert your card. Are you getting that message or not? What it is called? What it is called? Audio. Some message is coming or not? I will insert my card. Next, what is coming? Please enter your PIN. Please enter your PIN. I will enter the PIN. After that, you will get some favorites or not? Withdraw, deposit, something will come. We'll go for withdraw. After that, what? Enter the amount. After that, what is coming? If it is valid, everything. I will tell in my class about that case study also. I'm going to tell that case study in my class. Why I'm showing in the middle of that type of things? Because if any student missing my class, at least they should feel that yes, one sir shown me that type of thing. ATM application, ATM case study. I'm going to explain. This is a project, core Python level project. This is core Python level project. This is. I can keep directly in my resume itself. Let him wake up. Stand up. Stand up. You asked, sir, Corona time I completed my Python, and you said 2020. 4 years gap is there. How can I get the job? If you sleep in the class, how can you get the job? Sit down. If you sleep like that, 2028 also you will not get the job. By seeing all these things, I'm getting fed up with these things. You said that or not? 2020, sir, my things is over. When you sleep in the class, how can you get the job? Listen, and you came from lot of distance to Hyderabad. Listen the class. Come to the point back. What I'm explaining? That ATM related things, audio, and then some sort of what? YouTube, you take it. YouTube. All pictures are, YouTube videos are playing or not? How to develop certain application like that? How to develop the application like that? There is one module is present in Python that is called what you know, PyWatt Kit. PyWatt Kit. This is a module which is available. This is a module which is available. Using that, what I will do, even I am telling in the class also, that message which is coming from ATMs, female voice can come, male voice can come. Sound also I can adjust. I can adjust the frequency of the voice. Are you observing what I am saying? And I am going to type. And when you are taking the cash, it is going to give you 3 times. Please take your cash, take your cash. 3 times it is coming. That means 3 times your same message is repeated 3 times. After saying that, please collect your card. How to write these messages through the programming? You think always like a developer. The reality you think that I am explaining in the classroom. Remember all these things in the class. That's why in the day one, what I said, I will go on saving those details. Why? Because in middle of it, I will ask students, am I doing this type of things which I said in the demo sessions? I said, because I just want to ask this type of thing every day. So this type of audio based application, I want to convert the text into what? Audio, text into audio. And then any kind of images are there. I can make it to convert into what? Video form also. You're doing now. Some apps are coming. Video converter, something is coming or not. What is that entire conversion is? Behind that, what? Some code is written. Code is called with Python only done. Before Python, all these apps are not there, correct or not? So audio video based applications are most popular as on today. Concept and the coding behind that is known as what? Python programming. Next, let us coming to that. Are you following me? These are all not projects. These are all called product based companies. YouTube kind of companies are following this. These are popular companies. Next is called what I am writing, students. Development of development of web scraping. I hope you might be heard about it. If it is not, I will explain. Web scraping. Web scraping, also called as what? Web harvesting. Web harvesting applications. Let me give you an example. This is one of the marketing strategy people are using it. Marketing strategy. Take an example. When you take your mobile, when you take your mobile, you will open your YouTube and you will search for what? You will search, or you take your Google browser, you open and you go for what? HP laptop models. HP laptop models you say. This is what you are searching. Within few seconds of time, you are getting some sort of advertisements to your mobile. Did you observe it? What is that concept called? What is the meaning? Suppose if I search for what? Dell laptop models, you will get after a few seconds immediately such type of marketing advertisements will come. Suppose you take YouTube and you are searching for what? Python tutorials you are searching. Continuously what are coming for? Python tutorials only will come. Suppose you are searching for some dresses, you are searching. Dresses related things only will come. Suppose you are searching for some spiritual songs you are expecting. You will get spiritual related songs only will be going on posting to you. What that concept is called? Web harvesting or web scraping concept we can come. We will cover that as a part of REST API. In Django level, we will cover that. In Django level, the basic code is what? Python only we will use it. Did you understand the meaning of web scraping? What I am searching, same type of search strategies only will be sending to you. That is the meaning of what? Web scraping. The code written behind that is what is written? Python coding is written. Behind this, there is a separate module. For every application when I am writing, there is a separate modules are present. Those separate modules we are explaining in the class. If I explain one module, you will say other modules are dead easy. Next, I'm going to write it next. Development of, I'm writing business applications, business applications, business applications. These are becoming popular as on today. You take Flipkart, you take it, and you take it as Amazon, you take it. And next is called what you know, LinkedIn, you take it, LinkedIn, you take it. You take it as a Zomato, you take it as Swiggy, Uber, you take it. These are all called business apps or not? You take some of the banking apps, iMobile app, U mobile app, every bank is having their own mobile apps or not? These are known as what? Business apps. Do you have this type of apps in 10 to 15 years back? Take 7 years back, do you have this type of developments? No. As on today, every organization is ready to prepare their own business apps. So once we learn, these business apps are totally developed in which languages? Python languages. They are not developing in any of the other languages. Are you able to follow, students? So business apps are going to be the most popular language used in business apps is Python. Next, I'm going to write it. Are you able to understand, students? Red bus, you take it. Abibus, you take it. Any of the railway reservations, when mobile apps are coming, all mobile apps are going to be known as what? Business apps. And that business apps related project also I'm going to explain in the class. In Google Play Store, all apps are there or not? How many apps are there? How to take those apps? I'm going to tell in the class. That is, I will show you. In which level I will explain? Of course, I don't want to, I'm not boosting. Why I'm showing in the middle of it, which I'm explaining? Suppose by mistake, if you miss my class, you have to expect the same thing from other place also. That's what I'm saying. Attend everywhere, attend my class also, then you go for it. Find us, I'll go for exclusive. There you see Google Play Store. This is a project I'm going to explain. This is a project I'm going to explain. This is a Google Play Store data. This is a Google Play Store data. How many apps are there? In that more than something, see how many apps are there. You see, students, 10,842 apps are there. And apps are going on increasing. When you come to that stage, maybe more number of apps also will present. And these many apps, I'm asking a question. When you go to a big company, they're asking a question. Which app is having highest review rating? Which app is having highest reviews? Which app is downloaded by many number of people? How to write the coding in Python? These are all called modern projects. When you keep certain project in the resume, they have to call us immediately. Are you following, students? So this subject is most important to do anything else. I'm having already documents and then project related code, everything is ready. Okay. Now coming to point back, development of, I'm going to take it. I hope you are understanding the business applications. Next, development of scientific applications. Scientific applications. Scientific applications. Like you take NASA. Have you heard about NASA? It is a space agencies. You take all countries' space agencies are using the programming for satellite communication. Geographical information to study. For all such type of geographical information to studies for satellite communication, for any sort of scientific applications, some language is definitely required. Beginning, some people sometimes According to the industry survey, for a few years they used Pascal programming. Later they switch over to what? Python. When Python came into the picture, they switch over to it. And in the next class, I'm introducing why Python came into the picture, origin from the Python. From that is nothing but zero level onwards, I will introduce the Python. Tomorrow, I will introduce starting of the syllabus. Today, I'm giving what yesterday and today I'm giving overall applications developed using Python. Tomorrow, I'll start from zero level topic will be starting. First, 0 point, getting started with Python. And Python, who developed it, how to download the Python software, how to make our laptops ready. All those things I will tell you. Are you following me? So, development of scientific application. Take some type of criminal identity purpose. They are using some sort of software. And which software is the best for that? Python is the best. And one application I will show in my class. Suppose you are 23 years old now. Suppose if you get 50 years, how you will look like? How you will look like? Suppose if you get 75 years, how you look like? If you 85 years, how you look like? 100 years, how you look like? It will give you your picture. How it is given? AI based application is used over there. I hope you are following me. How to do this now? These are all applications developed. I am using, of course, one tool. The tool is developed using what? Python programming with AI concepts. So development of scientific applications. Next, I'm writing software development. Of course, these are called strictly what? Project development. And above things are known as what? These are products. Project development means what? I am developing a project for ICICI banking organization activities. I am developing SBI related banking activities. I am developing Union Bank related kind of activities. I am developing your university related kind of admission procedures. And I'm developing your school related management purpose, school related activities, admission procedure, results generations. I want to generate. Results generation means what? I want to develop something like a diagrams, graphs I want to generate. Your progress report, I want to give it. How do you generate the progress report, students? I just want to show you. In my class, I want to generate. Suppose I want to go for something like this. See, students, now I am explaining this type of examples. These are all called what? Bar kind of graphs I am explaining. This is what I am explaining in your classes. Why I am showing in the middle of it some topics also. By mistake, if you miss my class, you would expect the same thing from others. Bar graphs, you see. Bar graphs. In the bar graphs, how many types of bar graphs are there? I'm explaining that. I'm doing that in the class. If you not only that graphs, you see pie charts also available. Pie charts. Pie charts also available. Different type of models of pie charts I'm explaining. See this. These are the pie charts I'm explaining. Why I'm showing all these things? Suppose if you miss it my class, if you join somewhere because of sorry is taking 3 months, somebody said 1 month, you are in hurry. First month, 31st, next month, first I want to become a software engineer. In dreams also we will not become. Subject knowledge is most important. That's why in the beginning, I will say it is also a project. Priya expenditure project. Priya is a software engineer. How to manage that salary by the person? I'm explaining that kind of thing. Okay. Now let us move to the further. Like that, I'm explaining what? Lot of graphs I'm explaining. Line graph, histogram, so many number of graphs I'm explaining. Are you following this? This is something like what? Scatter plotter graphs. Now I'm explaining something like scatter plotter graphs. These are all called what? Different analysis project level we are going to discuss. Anyhow, students, come back to that. Now, by saying all these things, you may look at these colorful diagrams, but you don't know how to write the coding. I will make you all these things to be written by yourself only. Maybe you are BCom, BSc, whatever it is, you will write 100%. I'll make you like this. And next, I'm going to write it. Development of, did you understand the software development project? Developing the project for an organization. Now I'm going to development of OS installers. OS installers. What is the meaning of OS installers? Dear students, I think so. When I download something, it will be showing in where? Downloads option, correct? When you double click on that, it will be showing some progress bar or not? Progress bar means what? Whatever you downloaded, that is getting installed in my local system. That a progress bar is showing that how much software is installed in my system. That progress bar code is written inside of what? That progress bar code is written in which kind of language? Python they are using. Like Ubuntu, you take it. Unix, you take it. Red Hat Linux, you take it. All sorts of OS installers are written in Python coding. Next, that means as on today, any installer code is coming, that the type of installer code is written using Python script. Development of, now I'm writing language development. Languages. Languages also they are developing with this. What are the languages they are developing, students? Number one language, which is developed using Python, Spark. Might be heard about it. Spark. Next is called Scala. These are the programming languages. These languages developed using which language? Python language they used it. To develop Python, some language is using. What is that language? I will explain in the class. Are you getting me? Or bouncing? Are you able to get it or not? So next I'm going to enter into the development of, development of, development of, I'm writing here, I'm writing here, desktop GUI applications, desktop GUI applications. What is meant by GUI? Come on. Come on, no problem. What is GUI? Graphical? Yes. So the moment when I ask any question to students, they will say full form only. You not only, you take any students outside also. What is OS? Operating system. What is GUI? Graphical user interface. They know only full forms. They don't know anything. And you don't feel it. Students coming out of non-IIT, non-NIT, non-triple IT is equal to full forms plus wrong answers only. I defined a formula, but you don't feel it. I'm speaking open facts because open facts are little heart touching things only. Correct? Now I'll tell you what is GUI application. Suppose when you go to sign up as a new user in Gmail, you want to create a Gmail new user you want to create. Is the Gmail developer is coming and helping you how to create a Gmail ID? No, no. www.gmail.com. If I go sign up as a new user, first name, last name, username, password, your mobile number, everything you are entering or not? That means they are giving one form or not. That is known as what? GUI application. I will go for giving a small example. So I'm going to say GUI form, GUI form, or something like what, GUI format, or something like what, employee registration format, employee, 1 minute students. I will take up employee. I'll just take up 1 minute. Here I'm writing employee, employee registration form. Employee registration form. I'm just opening this page. I'm just opening this. This is comes under what? This is UC. Was not looking properly. Go to this place. Here I'm going to take up images you take. Here you see this format you see. Employee registration format. You just try to see students. This format what I am showing here. This format what I am showing. This is the format. This is called first thing, second thing. These are, you are entering some details or not? This is nothing but what? GUI format. Generally, how do you develop it? Now I am writing HTML employee registration form. And exactly I'm coming to the subject here directly. You just try to open this and try to look into this. This I will open it. You try to open in a new tab and see now. This is what I am expecting. I think it is more clear. And what is this you will enter? First name. What you will say, students? First name you will say. First name, middle name, last name, course, gender, and phone number, address, email, password, repassword, etc. This is known as what? GUI. Are you following? What is the GUI here? Look and feel based applications are called what? GUI. Whatever I look it, what I feel it is known as what? GUI. Anybody ask what is full GUI? Don't tell your gold medalist answer. If you say your gold medalist answer, people will feel unnecessarily you are wasted. What is GUI? Whatever I look, what I feel is called what application? GUI. When I go to ATM center, what it is helping me, if I follow that, it is called one type of which application? GUI application. I hope you are catching me. Such a type of GUI applications you can develop using what? Python programming. But Python programming GUI development is a little harder compared to what? HTML. HTML is dead easy, but Python GUI is called a little harder and which is more easy compared to what? Java. So in software industry that forms GUI applications generally developed by using what? HTML. That's why we are discussing UI technologies in our course curriculum. Are you following, students? Next, I'm going to write it. Development of, now I'm going to write it. One more thing, development of data analytics, analysis, and what next? Data analytics, data analytics. This is a very, very important in present industry. When you are going to do MS, in MS, there are exclusively some subjects are there with what? Data analysis, and next is what? Data analytics. A small example I will tell you. Suppose there is a businessman who is running the business. Who is running the business? Suppose you started one college. That college beginning, good admissions are there. After 4 or 5 years, no admissions are taking place properly. Definitely college is running under losses only now. Then that college MD contacted to analyzers, market analyzers. They are coming and analyzing what is happening actually. They are studying your data and prediction is taken place by using some tools. The tools are suggesting what are the models required to make your organization to run in business. So studying past and then suggesting the future models is called what? Analysis. You take Amazon, you take Flipkart. These are running good. What are their future expansions to reach to the customers to increase their sales? There is nothing but studying the future and then suggesting the models. Are you following that? That is called what? Analytics. What is analysis? What is analysis? Studying past and then suggesting the future is called what? Analysis. What is analytics? Study the present and then suggesting the future is called what? Analytics. To increase your business expansions. That type of analysis and analytics can be done by using the most popular kind of thing called what here? Pandas. This itself is called Pandas. Even in YouTube, some advertisements are coming. Data analytics and analysis courses, 6 months. In that 6 months, Python they will cover everything 15 days they will cover. You see their analytics course, Pandas. Download that Pandas. You'd see my Pandas course. Pandas almost I'm discussing 20 days in the class. Pandas is exclusively analytics course I'm explaining. Of course, our course curriculum is so deep and it is job oriented course thoroughly, not for normal companies, high-end companies this is. It is, of course, I don't want to boast about my class. Any IIT curriculum of Python you download and see our Python also, see that 70% more than every kind of company, every kind of institute. Then only you join in my class. This is what I am saying to you. Let me move to the further. Are you able to understand analysis and analytics? Next, coming to the next one, development of automation of testing. Automation of testing, my dear students, as on today, testing, Selenium kind of testing, manual testing, Selenium, you might be heard about testing now. That kind of testing, earlier people used to write the test cases using core Java programming. Java programming is difficult to write it. That's why most of the companies are shifting their test cases to be implemented which language? Python language. So Python is playing a vital role in development of what? Test cases. That's why even in our morning batches, most of the test engineers are learning Python to migrate from their testing with Java to what? Testing with Python. Are you able to understand? So Python plays a vital role in testing strategy also. Next is called what? Development of, I am writing here, complex mathematical operations. Complex mathematical operations such as, see, statistics, statistics, statistics. Do you know statistics? Do you know or don't know? If you say no, you may ask questions. If you don't know, you may not ask, you may feel something. Do you know statistics? Do you know normal distribution, uniform distribution, rank correlation? Come on, you know, you don't know. Don't know. I know that. But still I'm asking, sir, where are you explaining that? That's what I'm saying. I know what you know, I already know. If I say now, you may feel it. That's what I'm not saying. See that, students? I'm going to say random distributions. In my class, I'm explaining data distributions, normal distributions. So many things I'm going to explain in the classes. About so many number of things I'm explaining. Random kind of distributions, statistical programming I'm explaining. Statistical programming I'm explaining. Matrix operations, somewhere else there is a statistics statistics operations. Here you see examples on normal distributions and random distributions. Statistical operations, you see the statistical operations. I am explaining lot of statistical operations. Mean, anyhow, you know, median. You know median? What is the real-time purpose of median? Mode is there, variance is there. What is the real-time purpose of variance? Nobody knows. But formula we know. What is the standard deviation? Formula we know. What is the use of that? Don't know. Why we don't know? Blackboard, white chalk piece, exams, memo receiving, these are one end. That will not give job. Earlier parents used to feel very happy when they are getting more marks in the exams. Even still some parents are feeling out of thousand, if an intermediate student is getting 975, parents will give sweets to the surrounding people. When the MSET rank or J mains rank is coming, percentile in JE mains is only 40%. That student, what he will do? Marks important, competitive mind is important, competitive spirit is important. Correct or not? A student who is getting 800 by testing and a 99.99 percentile is coming. Who is going to have a better future? More marks will get more knowledge. This is a buttified knowledge. This is called competitive spirit is important. Correct or not, students? Our marks are not at all useful. Our spirit of competitive mind is important. Am I correct or not? Writing exams is different. Writing competitive exams are different. You have to prepare your originality. That is what I'm looking for always. So here, whatever is happened. I'm not worrying about what you done in BTech. You enjoyed. Okay, enjoying student life is always, I also recommend. But career is also important, no? You enjoy it, but read the notes, practice the notes, and now onwards, be perfect in your career. I am saying complex mathematical operators, statistics. Next is called what? Probability. Probability. Do you know probability? Do you know probability or not? Bayes theorem, multiplication theorem. Do you know or don't know? I know you don't know. I know, but you studied. You forget. Correct or not? I'll explain in the class. I'll explain in the class. Next is called what? Linear algebra. Linear algebra. Linear algebra. This is the one. Sir, will you explain all these things? That's what I'm trying to show. This is what I'm trying to show here. Somewhere else there is a linear algebra. Are you seeing this? Linear algebra. See these equations. See these equations, my dear students. See these equations. All of them you see. How to sort it out these things? First of all, what is the use of linear algebra? What is the use of probability? What is the use of these things? How to do this in a easy manner? I'm going to do with what? Python programming. These are all we studied now in our 10th class, in our 8th class. All these things we studied. Up to school level mathematics, if you know, everything I will take care. Even if you don't know mathematics also, I will tell you that. Understand, students? And don't learn mathematics, learn the applications of mathematics. Applications of mathematics different from our traditional mathematics. 2 plus 3 is equal to, you will say 5, I will say 5. But I will ask a different question. Writing intermediate exam is different. Writing JEE mains is different. Same sin theta, cos theta, they are also available. But they will ask in what form? Application form they will ask. I think you might be knowing that. Correct or not? Why NIT student, IIT student is getting 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 60 lakhs like that? Why normal student is getting 2.5 lakhs? Knowledge, not marks knowledge. Your subject knowledge is important. What I am discussing, I am showing that. Why I am showing in the middle of that content? Suppose if you miss it, you would expect from everywhere, not just basics, in deep of it, where student can do self-development. That is what I am expecting. Next is called what? Complex mathematical operations. Suppose if we go to graphs, you are taking these things. Y is equal to mx plus c. Is it a, what is this is called? Have you heard about this? Y is equal to mx plus c. Come on, boys, girls. Don't know? Learn na in 10th class, coordinate geometry. Slope, huh? What is y? What is m? What is x? What is c? Why that is required? How it is useful to me in my application development? Are we knowing all these things? No. Then what is the use of our studies? That's why, students. And because of taking out all your flashback, don't feel it. Because I want to make your eyes to open with 360 degrees. And you have to make other students to convert what we learned by seeing our marks memos by with printout and all. We should not feel happy. We have to have our mindset. We have to change it. Did you understand? Within 1 week, I will change your mindset completely and I'll make you to put on the subject only. Understand, students? Are you realizing what I'm talking? So marks important. Competitive creative skills are important. Competitive creative skills are important. That will come only from the trainer. If the trainer is intelligent, student will become automatically intelligent. If the trainer is not at all intelligent, automatically trainer or student also will be like that. And according to my intelligence, I'll make you wonder, provided the three conditions are important. I'll make you diamond in coding. If I don't make it, you just tell me whatever you like it. Provided the three conditions important. Even if you don't know coding, I'll make you to write coding in my class. That you write on the top of the page. Daily I will tell that word in the class. Next. Development of, next I will write it. Development of, I'll explain linear algebra, students. Don't worry. Probability kind of thing, statistics kind of thing, mean, mode, standard deviation, variance. I'll explain uniform distribution, gamma distribution, Poisson distribution. All these things I will explain. Okay, now permutations and combinations, everything I will explain. That are called competitive exam related hacker ranking examples you will come across. Development of, now I am writing console-based applications. Console-based applications. This is called for small organizations purpose. People are using as on today. Console-based applications. Small organizations will use. That is very minute development. With the core Python, we go for it. Development of, now I am going to write it. Development of animation-based applications. Animation-based applications. So animation-based applications. You know, students, as on today, multimedia in gaming application related aspect. In multimedia also, what is using? The multimedia behind of that video playing or that effects adding, Python coding is using. Next, I'm going to write it. Development of CAD CAM application development. CAD CAM application development. Mechanical students more than, they know more than me. Development of CAD CAM based applications. In automobile sector, you take it. Some of the cars finishing, you take it. Some of the cars finishing, BMW, you take it. Some high-end cars, you take it. And normal cars, you take it. There is a lot of finishing difference will come or not. They are using some sort of CNC software for cutting the components. For preparing the nuts and bolts, they are using 2D structural diagrams. 3D structural diagrams they are using it. For that, what is the softwares they are using? CAD CAM kind of things. This kind of softwares internally they uses to develop this CAD CAM kind of applications uses what? Python scripting they are using it. And next, I am going to write it next. Development of what? IoT applications. IoT applications. And your favorite answer, Internet of Things. IoT. Immediately, student is very danger, including me also. When I was a student, what is IoT? Full form. But when you go to industry, when you say full form, they will see top to bottom, who is this simple fellow? Yes, really, students. When any faculty says full form, not don't join there. You ask them, explain in detail. What is IoT? Explain in detail. So this type of IoT based application, if you become a big businessman tomorrow, like a Dhirubhai Ambani son, like Mukesh Ambani, like that, when you come to your home, doors will open, gates will open automatically. When you go to your first floor, doors will open. When you go to washroom, geyser will start. When you go to your bedroom, fan will start, AC will start. These are all called what? Sensor level programming. Your hardware devices interconnected with external devices and cooperative working everything. To write this kind of thing, something is required what? Some scripting is required over there. These are all called what? IoT based implementation. Now, last I am writing it. Development of computer vision. Computer vision. Computer vision. This is comes under what? This is one of the data science related application I wrote it. The best example, of course, a lot of examples are there. I'm giving one example. When you want to test your eyesight, for example, your eyesight, earlier people used to go to big doctor. Nowadays, you can go to any one of the optical center. If you sit in front of them, one machine will keep at your eyes and they will change it. Automatically, one slip will come out. And behind of the slip, what is there? Some code is executing internally. They are measuring your eyesight exactly. That is the one simplest example of your computer vision. And behind that, there is a lot of stories there. I'm just saying your understanding level of thing. Behind of that eyesight measurement, there is some sort of what? Code is executing. You take your mobile one more. Face detection, you take it. Face detection is there or not? What is that? Is called vision kind of application. These are all going to comes under what? Your fingerprints, you take it. Your iris kind of a detection, you take it. These are all called what? Implementation of your Python scripts, etc. Like this. There are, I can write 35 plus applications, I can write it. These are all comes under what? Real-time applications developed by using which language? Python programming. Of course, I don't know how many of you will remember, but I'm hoping that you are getting something. So yesterday and today, are you getting some more points or not? Day by day, you observe it carefully and see that you will have a lot of improvement in day by day, provided if you concentrate. When class is going on, sleeping. When class is going on, mobile come and going out. I will see 1 or 2 days after that out only. I am very strict in my class, very punctual to my classes. I will also expect same thing from him because I am only the one which I will solve your career problems. And you don't know, beginning classes, I am not hyping by myself. When I come to coding, you will see miracles in my class. I don't want to boast about it. You will see that you will practically observe in my class. Understand? So this is a very strict class. Whatever the way I'm providing strict, in the 3x terms, I'm going to give you the subject also. Only strictness not enough. If I say, if X is the terms of discipline, 3x terms, if I say the subject, then you will follow me. Correct or not? Without telling subject, if only strictness, that is not correct. If I tell 3x subject, if I keep X disciplinary actions, you will follow like anything. Provided the 3 conditions are important. What are that? Punctually attending, reading the notes, and daily practicing my case studies. I'll give my case studies when my subject start. Tomorrow I'm going to start the first topic in the course, history of Python, downloading of Python, installing of Python, versions of Python I am going to tell you because you have to make your laptops ready because I am going to start the programming very shortly. Tomorrow I am going to tell what is the Python history, how many versions are there, how to install the Python software that I am going to install. Even today, Yesterday you did not understand, no problem. Tomorrow onwards, if you come to the class, you will follow like anything. Are you following? Did you understand today's lecture? Yes. Online students, did you understand today's lecture? And tomorrow I'm going to start with perfectly from 0th level of coding. I'm going to enter into that. Still any friends are there? Tell your friends. Tomorrow ask them to attend the classes and see that you will understand everything. Okay, students, I'll talk to online students. Any doubts are there? I'll talk to them. Students, thank you. Online students, you hold on and I will talk to you. Okay, students. Right, students. Thank you. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. We'll start with the first topic in the course. Online students, you hold on. I will talk to you. Only first one you learn. Python only you. First one you learn. First module one you learn. So you can learn Python coding with a data science you have to learn. Right? Don't sleep in the class. You sit your story and again you are sleeping in the class. That's not correct. Okay. So you have to learn module one and you have to learn data sets. So there you can get it because weather forecasting details and your requirement easily can be solvable. Mm. Definitely. Definitely. My dear students who are in the online, now I'm going to take your doubts. Online students, I'll take one by one your doubts. Please go through it. Now I'll take the students. Hemnath. Hemnath. Please put your doubt very clearly so that I can answer to more number of students. Hemnath.
Hello.
Hemnath.
Morning, sir.
Yes, tell me, Hemnath, please.
I am BTech first year student.
Okay.
I want to become a AI developer, sir.
Yes, ma'am. For you, you are still in the first year. You
Yeah,
try to learn module one, ma. At present, you learn module one.
yeah. First year
Okay.
technology is best or module one is best?
Uh,
Module two better నేర్చుకోవడం best లేకపోతే module one first నుంచి start చేయడం better?
First, you start with module one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. Students, I will clarify every student doubt. Please hold on because I am only one now, so I cannot talk to every student. I will talk to one by one. Please, my dear students, please cooperate and try to understand. I'll talk to every student. Put your doubt properly. Syed Mohammed. Syed Mohammed. Syed Mohammed. Syed Mohammed. So he's not able to get it. You are not audible, ma. Syed. You are not audible, my dear student. So please check it. I will come back once again to you. Please check it your side once, my dear student. I'll come back once again to you. Please check it your side. Next, Srikanth. Srikanth.
Yeah, sir. సార్ పైథాన్ మాడ్యూల్ 1 అయిపోయాక ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అంటే పైథాన్ కి రిలేటెడ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేపిస్తారా లేకపోతే
నేను చూపిస్తాను కదా. నేను చూపించాను కదా ఇప్పుడు. ఇన్ ద ఎవ్రీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ అప్ ద project related case studies. Just ATM case study I said now one thing. Just you have seen it now.
అవును సార్.
Then ప్రతి ఒక్క టాపిక్ వెనకాల నేను ఆ కేస్ స్టడీస్ లెవెల్ చాలా కోడింగ్ చెప్తాను మధ్యాహ్నం. ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కోడింగ్ ఫర్ యూ. యూ విల్ గెట్ Beautiful knowledge in my class. Every topic after completion of it, a big case study. More than the project also, you will get it.
అంటే లైక్ కోడింగ్ అనేది మనకు నార్మల్‌గా బయట మనం ఎక్కడ చూసుకున్న రివర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ నెంబర్ అలా ఆర్మ్‌స్ట్రాంగ్ నెంబరు ట్రయాంగిల్
అవి
కాకుండా రియల్ టైమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్
yes,
తో కంపేర్
yes.
చేసుకుంటే చెప్తారు కదా!
That is what that is what I am saying it. Every student has to realize that. That is what
ఓకే
I am
సార్.
going to explain.
అండ్
నేను
ఆల్సో
మీకు
యాహ్!
కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ కూడా చూపించాను కదమ్మా.
అవును సార్.
That I shown you na, that are called little different or not.
అవును సార్. డిఫరెంట్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం చూస్తే ఏ ఎగ్జామ్‌కైనా గాని ఫస్ట్ అసెస్‌మెంట్ ఉంటది. అందులో హ్యాకర్ ర్యాంక్ మీరు మొన్న
Yes,
చూపించినట్టు ఫస్ట్ డే క్లాస్ అది అంటే లైక్ మనం
yes.
అటెండ్ అవ్వకుంటూ డైలీ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఒక 2-3 అవర్స్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెడితే ఆ క్వెషన్ సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతాం అనే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వస్తదా?
100% you will do it. 100% you will do, Srikanth. Because I
ఇంకో
will start from every student I'll take from 0 to the high end. So every student I have to take care will start from 0 to high end. Everybody will do that because that is our style to explain that. Okay, na?
ఓకే సార్. అండ్ ఈ మాడ్యూల్ 1 నేర్చుకొని లైక్ వి కెన్ సర్వైవ్ ఇన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ లైక్ యాస్ పైథాన్ డెవలపర్ సార్?
లేదమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్
సీక్వెల్
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను. Suppose if you want to prepare one dish, only main component is not enough now. You have to have some
యెస్.
preservatives you need to add or not.
యెస్ సార్. ఐ నో
Suppose you want to
సీక్వెల్ సార్. సీక్వెల్.
that you require these other things also, ma. You
ఓకే సార్.
require other things also. Okay.
కరెంట్లీ ఐ యామ్ ఏ డాటా ఇంజినీర్ సార్.
Okay.
లైక్
Good.
ఐ
Then
యామ్
you know na what are the things required. Only one thing is not sufficient. You have to learn multiple add-on skills you need to add. Go for it.
యెస్ సార్. యెస్ సార్.
Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Right. Next student, I'll go for Kartikeya. Kartikeya.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Kartikeya, please.
Sir, actually, I'm going for masters.
Okay.
So, as a business analyst.
Mm.
So, I worked as
You
now
require
I'm working as a
your voice is becoming breaking. It is coming. It's breaking. For me, it is breaking. Monica. Monica.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, yesterday you had said about applications of Python.
Hmm.
In that, how many modules are present regarding in Python, sir?
This kind of things.
You had said more modules are present in Python language, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Is there we can count or is there countless modules,
See,
sir?
ma, there are so many modules. An example actually. In medical field, how many medicines are available? For one specialization, one module is available or not?
Yes, sir.
Like that, for every type of area, there is separate modules are available. If you go to data analysis, there is separate module is available. If you go for data analytics, there is a separate module is available. Like that, we are getting different modules will be there for different areas.
Okay, sir. Is there any particular format code in Python, sir? Like we said, system.out.println is a
There is a very
format.
basic in Java. There is a very basic in Java. Very basic.
Yes,
That is
sir.
a very basic. In Python, we
Is
will be
there
discussing. No, tell me.
is there any format in Python like Java, sir?
Format like Java means?
Just I had said like you had said the basics in Java, no, sir.
What
The
basics?
system dot out
That is
system dot out.
that is a statement for displaying a result. In Python, we use print statement, print function we use.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, another student is Sai Naga. Sai Naga Jayani. Sai Naga Jayani.
Hello, sir.
Tell me more.
This is Zaini. I recently completed my intermediate second year.
Okay.
So I wanted to learn Python.
Tell me, ma'am.
Can you explain Git and GitHub also, no, sir?
Yes, we are going to discuss that now. We already written not module tools we are going to discuss. In this place, we are going to discuss.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next student is Mohan P. Mohan P. Mohan P. Next student is Harshit. Harshit.
Are you able to hear me, sir?
Mohan, tell me.
Yeah, I just want to check with you. It's like for DevOps perspective, if we want to automate a TCP/IP or the server client architecture, right? So about that perspective, what kind of case studies you do have?
See, DevOps, we are not discussing as a part of here. Or right, even your DevOps, you are writing Python scripting, correct?
Yeah, we do automate, right? Basically.
That type of topics, your DevOps faculty will explain. If you come to the Python programming, here we explain network programming using Python language. So
Okay.
DevOps related topics will not be coming into Python.
Yeah,
But in
yeah,
DevOps,
I got it. That's I understand because I am into that. The basically the question is suppose I do do patch if you know the process, right, the patching process, or you do collect the input output or do some operation from the server to the destination, some different hundred or thousands of servers we do have in the environment. So in that time, if I want to write a script which can pull the data, or like we do have some of the experts who write the some of the inheritance and
yes.
polymorphism, right?
All these
So
things I am explaining. Listen, I understand your requirement. See that all those things you look at my things which is already discussing. Here we are discussing the OOPS features very well, as you said, inheritance, OOPS and everything. Inheritance, polymorphism, these many number of things we are discussing in the class. Inheritance, polymorphism, so many number of things we are discussing. With this coding, you can learn everything else, students. Mohan, I hope you are
okay,
getting.
yeah, I got it, sir. Like if you take from one server, you can communicate to other server and get the
Anything you can
result, right?
communicate. Anything you can communicate, you are writing the Python script over there.
So between the two server and client architecture, we are covering, right?
Yes. Two-tier architecture, three-tier architecture, I'm explaining in the class.
Okay, all right, sir. Thank you.
Right. And
Hello, sir.
next, yeah, Mohan, tell me. Harshit,
Yeah, Harshit, sir.
yeah,
Hello, sir. Very good evening.
good evening. Good
Uh,
evening.
Sir, one of my friend is aiming to be a business analyst, and want to learn Python coding and exploratory data analytics in it. So just want to know on his behalf if this course will be fine for him.
Yeah, 100%. This one is thus. This is what I'm talking about, analytics and analysis. That's why we kept a separate kind of thing, Python for data science. Even in my class, I said analytics and analysis.
Mhm.
This pandas is useful. And in this level, we are talking about 3-4 projects I'm explaining.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you. And Mohan P.
Sir, we just spoke, right?
Okay, Mohan. Okay, Mohan. Thank you. And next, Raj C. Raj.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Raj.
Sir, actually, I'm planning to do data analysis course.
Hmm?
Sir, for data analysis,
Data?
data analyst, sir.
Data?
Data analyst.
Analyst, huh?
Yeah. Sir,
Okay.
module one is enough.
Module 1 is enough, my dear student. Plus, you need to have database also.
Okay.
Module 4 also required.
Okay, sir. Sir, stats and probability. What to do for stats and probability, sir?
So your voice is not that much audible for me. It's giving some resound for me.
Okay.
Next student, Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar.
Yeah, am I audible? That's what I was telling.
Yes, yes.
I was just looking at like the course structure and all. So, what are the various kinds of basics which we are going to cover, right from the pupils and all those things? Everything will be covered. And what are the various libraries which we are going to? I see that NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib are there. So, anything
Mm.
else than that?
Other than this, you are asking?
Yeah.
I already shown in the class about my course content. I hope you might be seen. It's one of the what do you call dominatable, and it's an excellent course curriculum. I designed it. Maybe you might be looking at that. And full stack Python, if you see, it's the course itself is containing this is called a course content. It is so big, broad, big content is available. If you just get it from admin, it's really, even you compare with IITs, triple ITs, NITs, everywhere else you compare, this is containing 70% more than everybody this Naresh IT offers, especially my classes. NumPy, you see such a big content. You download any NumPy and Pandas of every institute in every place, you download and compare my things, and it is extraordinary here. And my content will speak everything rather than speaking just. Vijay Kumar, I hope you got it.
Yeah, I got it. But anything to do with VectorDB or embeddings?
Huh?
VectorDB or embeddings?
No, that is specifically it is related to one area only.
Okay.
When we speak about this, you will understand. I hope so that.
Yeah. I'm already working in this, so I just thought of
Yes,
checking those
anything. You, if you learn this entire deep things, that will become simple for you. Okay,
Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.
right. And next, Priyanka Raju.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, are you gonna teach all the 5 modules, sir?
What is that?
Are you gonna teach all the 5 modules?
I am teaching the first one, this one. If I only want to teach all these things, it takes a lot of time for you. That's why
How long?
I'll start
sir?
no, one by one. If I want to teach, it takes a lot of time. 6 to 7 months it will take.
Oh, okay.
This is a backbone for full stack Python. This I will take it. This I will take it. Along with that, parallelly, this also will start. Other faculty will start. Like that, we give the roadmap for you. Parallelly, will complete this entire course in 4.5 months.
Oh. Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next student, Moksha, Shiny. Moksha Shiny.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, audible, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, actually, I'm a second year BTech student, and I have intermediate knowledge of Python, and I want to study Django and Django REST framework. I came only for that. Can you
Contact the
suggest me
admin.
courses?
Contact the admin.
Hello.
Contact the admin. Contact the admin.
Okay, sir. That Shubham, I think his name is Shubham, right?
Yeah, yes. You can contact.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next, Sucharita.
Hi, sir. So actually, I'm a Java developer, sir. So
Lot of
this is
background sound is
like
coming. Lot of background sound is coming.
yeah. I will complete as soon as possible, sir. Because I'm near to temple. So actually, for
I'm
the
getting
data
lot of
science,
background sound is coming, ma. Please. Next is Anuradha. Tell me, Anuradha. Anuradha? Anuradha? Vijay?
Hi, sir. I have experience of Linux administrator almost 15 years. Okay. See, I'm looking totally. I have done. I have not learned till now Python. So my major goal is to learn the Python and for mostly like AWS or Azure data import and also for my Linux use. So what you were saying, the module 1 for Python, modules advanced Python, it will cover for my OS or not? That's what I'm thinking.
Actually, I'll keep one thing. Upstream is not.
Sir, I'm not able to hear.
Sir, in Unix, Linux, AWS, anything is related to Python, you can start it out. Can easily solve that kind of things.
Okay.
Type of things I can create.
So how many months it will take for me this module?
This module, you've seen my content, very deep content is provided. This exclusive will take 3 months. 3 months I will take it.
Okay, sorry, sir. I have little disturbance on your voice. I don't know. So how many months it will take?
3 months. 3 months.
But this module 1?
3.
I don't know.
I think, Vijay, you are hearing me?
Yeah, now I am able to hear.
3 months I will take, Vijay. 3 months.
Okay. Okay. So tomorrow onwards you'll start starting hours,
starting.
Because I miss 2 days from 15th.
No problem.
Yeah,
Tomorrow, if you start tomorrow, it is everything fine.
It's online or offline also available.
Both up. In front of me, offline is there, online students. You are in online. Offline students are also sitting in front of me.
Okay, because I want more interactive with offline.
No problem. No problem. You can come to offline also, no issue.
Yeah, thank you. Sometimes I can make it online.
Okay. Next student, Tulasi.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, audible. Tell me, Tulasi.
Yes, sir. So as you say, the lot of development application area, is there all the modules are going to teach or only the 3 modules mentioned in the first module are going to test?
This is for data science related modules, ma. In data science, if you want to work with artificial intelligence and data science applications so deeply, these modules we are learning it.
Okay, so as you said, for the processing application, is there going to teach or not?
Which one?
OpenCV, sir.
I did not get you.
OpenCV.
OpenCV, that is once if I discuss these things, OpenCV and all very easy for you. They're dead easy.
Okay, so as you know, the AI is going to mostly replace. Then which application area is better after learning Python?
Yes, 100%.
I mean to ask which application area is good for me after learning the Python.
And I always suggest to the students 2 areas. One is developer, full stack development. That's the first one. Second one is AI development. These are the 2 areas which will have a lot of perspective in the career.
Then what more is going to learn for going in the data analysis and analyst area?
That are also subdomains of this data science only. Are all subdomains.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Next student, Indu. Student name Indu.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, laptop is mandatory.
If you have laptop, then only you can answer. You can prepare well. That's my intention.
అది ల్యాబ్ ఉంది కదా సార్ ల్యాబ్ లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చా?
You can come to lab. practice.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాస్ నోట్స్, ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ నోట్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటుందా?
You can same ఉంటుంది కదమ్మా, both of them are same.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
Right. Next student Sri G.
హాయ్ సార్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్.
Good evening.
సార్ స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి చెప్తాను అని అన్నారు కదా సార్ పైథాన్. ఐ మీన్ ఇఫ్ ఆ నోట్స్ అనేది ఐ మీన్ ఇప్పుడు క్లాసెస్లో రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ రాసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుందా సార్, లేదంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆ
లేదమ్మా,
నోట్స్ అనేది
నేను ఫెయిర్ నోట్స్ ఇస్తాను. రేపటి నుంచి చూడండి మీరు, ఫెయిర్ నోట్స్ వస్తుంది. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ like a spoon feeding notes I will give you from tomorrow onwards, because it's an only
ఓకే
introduction
సార్.
I gave na. First 2 days I
ఓకే
gave introduction na. Tomorrow I'll give you
ఓకే
spoon feeding level of notes.
ఓకే సార్. అండ్ ల్యాబ్స్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు అని అన్నారు కదా సార్. అంటే
Will
ల్యాబ్ అంటే ఐ మీన్ ఎంత టైము మేము ఇవ్వాల్సి వస్తుంది సార్? అంటే ఐ మీన్
see మా
బేసిక్
ఎంత టైం కాదు, మనం ఎంత వరకు చదువు చేస్తే బాగా అర్థమైంది అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ కదా.
అదే సార్. అంటే ఐ మీన్ నేను అడిగేది ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు మీరు క్లాస్ చెప్పారు కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు 1 అవర్ 40 మినిట్స్ క్లాస్ జరిగిందనుకోండి సార్. అదే రోజు ల్యాబ్ ఉందనుకోండి సార్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈవినింగ్ మేము క్లాస్ విన్నాము. నెక్స్ట్ డే మార్నింగ్ ల్యాబ్ కండక్ట్ చేశారనుకోండి. ల్యాబ్‌కి వచ్చి ఐ మీన్ మినిమమ్ ఎన్ని అవర్స్ అనేది ఐ మీన్ నా టైమింగ్స్‌ని బట్టి నేను అటెండ్ అవుతాను కదా సార్ క్లాస్‌కైతే.
You can attend you
ల్యాబ్
can
కూడా
sit
మళ్ళీ మేము టైమింగ్స్ సార్?
ఆడ టైమింగ్ ఏమి ఉండదు. You can attend the time lab timings anytime.
ఓకే. ఓకే సార్. అదే సార్.
Anytime you can attend.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే. అదే సార్.
Lab
అంటే ఐ
time
మీన్ జస్ట్ ఒక డౌట్‌గా.
you can attend anytime. Okay, 9 to 6 you can attend.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే. అండ్ మిగిలిన టెక్నాలజీస్ కూడా ఒక 15 డేస్ తర్వాత అన్నారు కదా సార్.
We will tell you in the class when that will be starting. We'll tell in the class.
ఓకే సార్. అంటే ఏమన్నా డిలే చేసుకోవాలంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఒక 1 మంత్, అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు 15 డేస్ తర్వాత అన్నారు కదా సార్. అలా కాదు, నేను ఒక 1 మంత్
నెక్స్ట్
తర్వాత
అప్పుడు
వేరే
స్టార్ట్
క్లాస్
అవుతుంది మళ్ళా. స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ.
ఓకే. అప్పుడు 1 మంత్ తర్వాత నేను జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చా సార్? అంటే అట్లా అంటే ఈ ఫీజు ఎన్నాళ్ళు వ్యాలిడిటీ ఉండిద్ది, అది ఎలా అనేది ఒకసారి అడగాలి సార్.
అడ్మిన్ కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.
రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ సోఫియా Mohammed.
Sir, you explained about an example on OTP generation, sir. Randint.
That I will explain. In the class, I will explain once again for you.
Sir, is that applicable for 6 digits?
Yes, 6 digits, 7 digits, whatever the digits we have, we can apply. I will tell you in the class about random model. Okay, na?
Sir, I tried on command prompt. It didn't come, sir. It showed error.
I'll explain, don't worry. Let
Okay,
me come
sir.
to the practical. I'll show you that. Okay, not don't worry about it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Next student, Amon, Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav, tell me.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Gaurav.
Sir, actually, I passed out in 2017 BTech Mechanical, and I
Okay.
have 4 years experience in core industry. Is Python is suitable for me for a starting career in IT? Hello.
Gaurav, tell me, Gaurav, because you hear a lot of sound is coming from outside because today is a festival, na? That's
Okay,
why.
okay. Sir,
Tell
actually,
me.
I passed out in 2017 BTech Mechanical.
Okay.
And I have 4 years experience in core industry.
Okay.
Is Python is suitable for me to a starting
Yes.
career in IT?
You can start your career with the full stack Python.
Yeah, full stack Python. But I don't
Yes.
know anything about coding.
No problem. No student knows about the coding. You are only going to see that you have seen already in the class. I'll explain from the 0 level onwards. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Right. Oh, Indu. Student name Indu. Okay, students. So no more students are there. Today I clarified every student doubt. I hope no more students are having that hand raising symbol. The Raj C. Raj C.
Hello.
Raj, please.
Sir, I was asking about data analytics, na, sir?
No.
So, sir, will you cover stats and probability for data analysis?
I already said na. I cover I said. Okay, students. Okay, students. Thank you. All the best. Tomorrow class we will meet.